Have you ever seen a woman wearing a simple jumpsuit and thought, she looks incredibly expensive, even though there doesn't seem to be anything particularly complicated about her outfit? Now, imagine wearing that same type of jumpsuit yourself, only to look in the mirror and feel like something is missing. Here's the secret. An expensive-looking jumpsuit isn't necessarily expensive. It's about the fabric, the fit, the proportions, and the way you finish the outfit. And after 60, you don't need to dress louder to look luxurious. In fact, the opposite is often true. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a jumpsuit look expensive after 60, using simple styling choices that can completely transform the way you look. Welcome back to Ebony Graceful Wardrobe, where we believe elegance isn't about chasing trends. It's about knowing what works for you and wearing it with confidence. Stay with me because the last styling detail is one of the easiest ways to make an ordinary jumpsuit look instantly more polished. Let's get started. If you want a jumpsuit to look expensive, don't begin with the accessories. Begin with the fabric. This is one of the biggest differences between a jumpsuit that looks luxurious and one that looks inexpensive. Look for fabrics that have beautiful movement and enough weight to hold their shape. Crepe, quality linen blends, ponte, silk blends, or substantial jersey. Avoid extremely thin fabrics that cling to every curve, wrinkle immediately, or lose their shape throughout the day. You don't necessarily need designer fabric. You need fabric that drapes beautifully, feels substantial, and moves with you. Because when the fabric falls beautifully, the entire outfit immediately looks more sophisticated. 2. Get the waistline right. This is where a lot of jumpsuits go wrong. A jumpsuit can be beautiful, but if the waist sits in the wrong place, your entire silhouette can look unbalanced. Look for a waistline that follows your natural proportions. A slightly defined waist can create beautiful shape without making the outfit feel tight. And if your jumpsuit comes with a fabric belt, don't automatically tie it as tightly as possible. Sometimes a softer tie or a slim belt creates a much more elegant effect. Remember, defined doesn't mean squeezed. The goal is to create shape while still allowing you to breathe, move, and feel comfortable. 3. Choose sophisticated colors. Color can make a huge difference in whether a jumpsuit looks ordinary or luxurious. Instead of automatically reaching for the brightest color in the store, consider rich, sophisticated shades such as navy, emerald, burgundy, chocolate brown, deep plum, ivory, or classic black. These colors tend to create a more refined appearance and make accessorizing much easier. And here's another little secret. You don't need 5 different colors in one outfit. One beautiful color, styled thoughtfully, can look far more expensive than an outfit competing with itself. 4. Pay attention to the neckline. The neckline is one of the first things people notice. A V-neck can create a beautiful vertical line and visually elongate the upper body. A soft, square neckline can look incredibly elegant and feminine. And a simple wrap-style neckline can create definition while remaining comfortable. The important thing is to choose a neckline that makes your face the focus. You don't need an exaggerated neckline to look sophisticated. Sometimes the most elegant choice is the simplest one. 5. Don't ignore the length. The length of your jumpsuit matters more than you might think. If the trousers stop at an awkward point on your ankle, they can interrupt the natural flow of the outfit. A full-length, wide-leg jumpsuit can create one long, elegant vertical line. If you prefer a cropped style, make sure the length looks intentional and works beautifully with the shoes you're wearing. And here's something many women overlook. Have the jumpsuit altered if necessary. A small adjustment to the hem can make a reasonably priced jumpsuit look custom-made. 6. Choose shoes that elevate the outfit. Your shoes don't have to be expensive. They just need to look intentional. A pointed toe flat, elegant sandal, sleek loafer, or a simple low heel can complement a jumpsuit beautifully. Try to avoid shoes that look too heavy or visually cut the leg at an awkward point. And don't assume you need extremely high heels. A comfortable shoe with a clean shape can look every bit as sophisticated. Elegance doesn't have to hurt. 7. Use jewelry strategically. This is where you can really transform a simple jumpsuit. Instead of piling on jewelry, choose one or two beautiful pieces: a pair of gold earrings, a delicate necklace, a beautiful bracelet, or an elegant watch. If the jumpsuit has a dramatic neckline, let the neckline speak for itself and keep the necklace simple. If the jumpsuit is very minimal, that's when a beautiful statement necklace or earrings can become the focal point. The goal isn't to show how much jewelry you own. It's to make every piece look intentional. 8. Add one beautiful layer. Want to make your jumpsuit look even more polished? Add a layer. A beautifully tailored blazer can instantly transform a simple jumpsuit into an elegant evening or dinner outfit. For warmer weather, try a lightweight linen jacket or a refined kimono. The key is choosing a layer that complements the jumpsuit rather than hiding it. Think of your outer layer as the finishing frame around a beautiful painting. And here's the secret I promised you. Fit. You can spend hundreds of dollars on a jumpsuit, but if it doesn't fit properly, it won't look expensive. And you can find an affordable jumpsuit and make it look remarkably luxurious when the shoulders sit correctly, the waist is in the right place, the trousers fall beautifully, and the length is perfect. So before you buy another jumpsuit, don't ask only, "Is this fashionable?" Ask, "Does this fit beautifully?" Because great style isn't about the price tag, it's about the way the clothing works with you. Remember, you don't need a closet full of expensive clothes to look expensive. You need beautiful fabrics, thoughtful proportions, sophisticated colors, flattering fits, and accessories that look intentional. A jumpsuit can be one of the easiest pieces in your wardrobe because it already creates a complete outfit. You simply have to finish it properly. Now tell me in the comments, do you own a jumpsuit or have you always been afraid to try one? And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Ebony Graceful Wardrobe, and turn on notifications for more timeless fashion and beauty inspiration for elegant women over 60. Until next time, remember, true elegance doesn't come from wearing more. It comes from knowing exactly what you need.